Alright guys, one little quick thing to add. So our general form is y equals a x minus h plus k. Okay. So when I have the graph and I need to write the function, okay, we're going to use that. So remember, our normal graph starts right here at 0, 0, okay, at our vertex. So if I want to get to this new 0, 0, that's going to be our h and our k. How did I shift? So I went to the right 3, okay, and I went up 2 to get to that new vertex. Okay, so since I went to the right 3, okay, left or right is an h value. Okay, remember it's always the opposite, so it's going to be x not plus 3 but minus 3. My k, I went up 2, so my k is going to be plus 2. Okay, and then remember when we made our v, that very first v, okay, it looked something like this. I'm going to draw it in red so you can kind of see it. This was our first v, where we just went up 1 over 1 to make each point. We went up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So for our a, we're just going to check to make sure we went up 1 over 1, and we did. It's kind of like slope. Okay, so it's just a 1. I don't need to put it there, so I'm just going to have y equals, and there is our function. You could have put a 1 right here since a was technically 1, but you don't have to. So let's take a look at this one. So same thing, we're going to use y equals a x minus h plus k. Okay. So remember, we start right here. Okay. So we went to the left 5, so we're going to go x plus 5. We didn't go up or down at all, so there's no k value. Now I do notice that it's upside down, so I go actually down 2 over 1 till I get to my next point. So that's going to be like slope, that would just be negative 2, because I go down 2 to the right 1. Okay, so then let's put y equals in there. And there is, so equals negative 2 and then x plus 5 inside the absolute value.